Spirit Boosters. I'm over here at the post office. I know none of y'all probably send me nothing, but I gotta come and check anyways. It be like that. It be like that. I gotta come and see what's going on. See if somebody caring to send something that I can pick up at the P.O. box. I decided I guess I give myself a little bit more time. I could even share, well, I am sharing with my family. All right, we'll be back. Hey, Spirit Boosters, I come back today. How are you doing? I hope you found a good place to celebrate your happiness today and all the others. Please don't give up hope, 'cause things will get much better. Just believe you can achieve. You can make everything okay. Just believe in yourself. Hey, welcome back. G babies, look at loose, pass it by. Visitors, trolleys. Hey, Spirit Boosters. Hope you guys having a great day. Well, like I said, I had to go out and sock me in the head, bump me in the face. Went right up in there and didn't go by the eyeglass place. As you can see, I'm still toting. I found my little piece of glasses that as you can see. And yeah, I don't know how I did that. I guess y'all, it's JENITA need to lose weight. It's so uncomfortable. I don't know how people overweight like myself manage. The ones that are still capable of walking, but it hurt to do it. Oh my goodness. And then my soft foot started acting up because I wore my tennis shoes in my foot heel, but it's still irritated. So when my shoe rubbing across my foot, aggravated. Like they said, what? The rubbing triggered some inflammation, and now my foot, I got to order me some wider shoes. Well, for my left foot. Well, both shoes going to be the same width, wide shoes. And then Woman Within sell wide shoes, but they rose. They increased their prices because we got all these big, beautiful, overweight, thick sisters on YouTube doing a great job at modeling the big women clothes. So now the industry of big women clothes is making a killing. They have raised the price on all the dang merchandise. Now they want a ton of money for stuff. So I'm just gonna have to go to some other companies, or another company I know, but I gotta get me a wide shoe because I can't have nothing causing inflammation on my soft foot. Previous soft foot now is aggravated again because, like I said, it was rubbing on my shoe, on my foot, because my shoe, it's the rice. Well, let me stop it because I'm going on and on and on about this soft foot. But yeah, I made it to, we went to Costco, wanted to go to Sam's Club because I wanted to run into the plant store, but we didn't get to Sam's Club. We stuck up in Costco and it was packed. What's the day? It's Wednesday. Nobody working, y'all. Nobody work. Everybody in Costco getting this. Look like they having parties. I guess they buying their 4th of July goods too. Basket full of liquor, cakes, pies, meat. People just enjoying themselves, living their best life up at Costco. Costco, it's full. It's Wednesday. Usually people at work. It don't be like that. It's not. It's like a work day. Where are these people? Okay. Young folks too. All up in Costco shopping, spending that money. Somebody must have got their stimulus checks. And I guess some people get paid on Wednesday. But somebody got something, because that store was crowded and people spending that money, and we up in there spending money. Well, we saved our money for the holiday meats, but we forgot the pork chops. But I'm going to show y'all the price of the ground beef, ribs, and some chicken legs and chicken wings. I only got just enough that's gonna, hopefully it'll fit in the freezer. I did want some thighs, and I guess I'll pick that up later. Some thighs and some pork chops. Ain't nothing like some smothered pork chops, rice, and some vegetables. And I mailed off, well, I mailed off my sister's package. One couldn't be mailed because, hey, something was wrong with the address. Wonder what's that all about. But anyway, hope that person get in contact, but I ain't gonna worry about it no more. I did it once, ain't going back again, because I don't get out like that. I tried my best, but hey, when things don't work out, you outwork them. So I'm back home. I got the fan on. Y'all probably didn't heard this fan in several videos. Shoot, I'm hot. Hold up, y'all. Oh, I cut it down. I cut the fan off because it was kind of loud. But dang, what? I lost my train of thought. Dang, what was I talking about? I forgot. Anyway, whatever I was talking about, carry on. Any Pepper news? What's the Pepper news? Pepper's still talking about empty shelves, old food, high gas, high food. Same old cliche, same things going on. Then the feds hiked the rates, was it 0.75? Y'all heard about it, put it in the comment section. And if you know what that means, say so in the comment section. What? Well, y'all better have some money. And I still want some donations from somebody, because Miss JENITA going broke over here. I'm going broke. Trying to keep up with my videos. Trying to get space for these videos. Y'all help me. Will this be the end of Miss JENITA? It don't even matter, huh? I don't have many subscribers. I'm not getting the love I want. I gotta love myself. Even though I'm making, well, most of the videos, I don't know. G-babies, y'all, G-mom gonna come to the end of the line. If I keep on trying to make all these videos, ain't got nowhere to put them. But, yeah. I went to Costco. I went by the Dollar Tree, picked up a few crafting items. I'm gonna make another crafting video, a crafting haul video, because I picked up a bunch of crafting items. I'm probably gonna make 2 parts because I don't want to put all that stuff up here. And I'm about to make my Juneteenth sign, and I'm gonna do it on the balcony. I'm gonna put it on a plant, because that'll help me with my props. So I only have to prop it up on the plant, and I put my sign out there, put my little people I'm making, and that'll be there. It's a secret in all this stuff I'm doing, but I can't say. Y'all. I can just share what I'm sharing. I know that some of y'all seen my little episode of my reindeer land. So much going on. I am just flabbergated because I forgot the pork chops in the, what else I say? Pork chop, and I wanted some chicken thigh. Now, I got to put this meat up. So, what I'm trying to tell y'all, I told y'all that. I told y'all this. Sister Jack, hope you enjoy your birthday present. I just sent it today. I hope you watch this video. You probably will get it, what's today, Wednesday? You probably get it by Friday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. You. I hope you have a great birthday. I hope that you celebrate it with the greatest birthday and things that you get as gifts to put a big smile on your face. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. There is more gifts than that coming to you. Oh, I just did that at the last minute, but I'm happy to send stuff, give stuff. I'm making you a hat and a scarf. Oh, a whole bunch of stuff. You know, it just take me a minute to make it, that's all. It's getting made, but it just taking me a few minutes to make it. Hope you enjoy it. I'm gonna try to make it as pretty as can be. And you'll wear it and have a smile on your face because it's just so cute. Yeah. But anyway, what else? Oh, happy Father's Day to all you fathers. That's my gift to you. Happy Father's Day. Hope you enjoy your day. Hope you get your beer on. I wish I could drink beer. Ice cold beer is the bomb. I swear, the bomb. A beer high is so special. You non-drinking folks, that's just all right. But to be able to have some ice cold beer, oh, and even wine, but vodka is cool. I'm glad vodka don't give me heartburn, but beer, I wish I could drink it, but it give me some terrible heartburn. Oh my God. But vodka and mix it with something, I'm gonna do me a little Father's Day toast with my husband. Happy Father's Day to my sons. And y'all have a great celebration day. Relax, take it easy. Go get the Father Day treatment. I need to send y'all some. I'll make y'all some. That's what my gift is. Yeah, that's what I do. Make stuff. Make it from my heart. But as I drag on, oh, like I said, the meat part in Costco, let me say this part. They didn't have a lot of chicken. They had plenty ribs, though. They had plenty ground beef because it's high. The steaks, they had tons of steak. You know, on Daddy Day, they always throw down for the fathers. And that's probably why they was buying all that liquor, huh? Daddy, some of these daddy, they like they bourbon and scotch. That good liquor. But to me, that vodka is smooth. I didn't know how smooth that was. Shoot, I was doing gin. Here, look at it. I'm carrying on about this. Nobody want to hear about this stuff. Let me turn around and show y'all this dang stuff I got and tell y'all the prices and let y'all see how expensive it was, this meat purchase. And we just got a few pieces of meat that I'm about to separate. Stretch, because with the ground beef, it's 6 pounds. Now I'm about to make it 1 pound each. We got spaghetti, chili mac, meatloaf, a small meatloaf, taco meat, burger meat, stuff like that. But let me turn it around so you can see what Miss JENITA bought. Don't y'all forget about my donations now. Y'all think I've been playing. I've been playing. I'm talking to real live people that watch a real live Miss JENITA channel that enjoy it. Because you keep on coming back to see what the heck I'm doing, my crazy self. My crazy ass self. I ain't got no problem up here talking a bunch of slits. Is it slits or slight? Or I'm trying to say this word without even cursing. What the hell? Let me turn it around and show y'all because everything is blurry as hell. Let me turn around, show y'all this meat so I can get back to doing what I need to be doing. Responding to some of these comments. All right, y'all, here's what I bought. Hold up. Okay, spirit boosters. I'm about to show y'all the meat that Miss JENITA got with the husband. You want this? You buy this. Okay, this is some wings. They $2.99 a pound. It's $25.68 for how many pounds is it? 8 pounds, 8.5 pounds of wings. Now, this is the first time I didn't bought one like this in a while. So, I don't know how many in here, but I'm about to cut these 6 individually wrapped wing packages loose. So that's $25 for the wings. Here the ground beef. The ground beef was $24.90 for 6 1/4 pounds. It is, what that it is, I'm trying to see how much penny pounds this is. $3.99 a pound for ground beef. And it's 88% lean, 12% fat. You can get that 70, but this all they had. So we got the ground beef, and we got some drumsticks, $8.48 for 8 1/2 pounds. The wings, 99 cents a pound. Hey, so that's Kirkland wings. Yeah, that's Kirkland. We only got one because that's all we can fit in the freezer. So I gotta separate this chicken. And then last but not least, for that $2, husband said he needs some baby backs, so he got him baby backs. $3.99 a pound, 10 pounds, 3 of them. Baby back ribs for the 4th of July. That's right. We're gonna cook 2 of them. I'm putting one out. Keep one in the freeze. I guess we ain't cooking all 3 of them. I don't know. I'll see. But that's what we got as far as the meat and the ground beef, because I told y'all I was out of it. So this is the meat haul. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. You heard the message, whatever it was. You heard, you know the tip. Stay in survival mode, stay in prepper mode for sure. Get you a pantry started for some, because the way things going now, it's gonna be crazy to ride. Hold on, put your seatbelt on, put your helmet on, because things are really gonna get ugly, allegedly. But did y'all find some meat cheap at the store? Only reason I didn't go anywhere else, because I did have intentions on going other places. But shoot, like I say, when you overweight and stuff, ugh, it's horrible. Can't stand it. I'm about to stuff my face again. And I just wish this weight was just not on me. I'm over here complaining. I keep eating it and put it back on. But anyway, y'all, I got to go. I got to put this food up. Hope y'all enjoyed this piece of video. I don't know what the hell I was talking about earlier, but I said something. You gonna say hi, bye to the spirit boosters? Say bye to the spirit boosters.
Bye, spirit boosters.
Okay, the husband said bye. I'm saying bye later. Okay, I got the meat all separated. I cut the packs loose. The party wings, the drumsticks. I got the baby back separated, 3 of those. And I got the 6 1 pound each of the ground beef. Put a little bit more meat in one, the little quarter for meatloaf, small meatloaf. So, about to put my meat in the freezer. That's what I'm about to do. This is a meat haul. Expensive, but well worth it. Got to get those pork chops and get that chicken thighs next go round. So here I go. Let me put them in the freezer. Yep. Happy munching on this meat.